Okay, so welcome to this section where we start looking at functions, which is another key concept when it comes to programming in C++ and in basically every other language. So let's start off by creating what is called a function prototype. So we're going to create a function that does not return anything and does not accept anything. Okay, and so we're going to have, this is a function prototype. Okay, so in essence, I am telling the compiler that there is a function called greeting that does not return anything and does not accept anything, and that function I will implement it later on. Okay, so down here we'll do the implementation. All right, so the implementation is where I actually write the code for the greeting function. And so I will follow the same signature. Okay, so void greeting, no arguments, except now I have the open and close curly braces. And so let's start off simple. So let's say this function simply does output. And so I can do something like good day. Okay. And let's close that end line. I could do something like printing out stars. Right. Okay, let's put a new line there. And of course, I could do something like saying hola. Okay. And let's put a end line. Okay. Okay, so this is the implementation of my greeting function. Okay, so what is the good thing about creating functions? Well, I can get the functionality of all these 3 lines of code by simply calling the name of the function. So if I want to use this function, I will do a function call. So perform a function call. So a function call simply means I will type the name of the function followed by open and close parentheses. Okay, and that's it. So what really happens is this greeting function will call the implementation over here. And when that happens, all of this code will be executed. So let's look at that and see how that works. Okay, so we notice we have a good day, we have the asterisk being printed, and of course we have hola. Okay, and if I go back and add some spaces, so let's say cout endl, okay, we will see that our program looks a little bit better with a space. Okay, so that's it. So let me just reiterate what we should have learned in this section. We should now know how to create a function prototype. We should know how to implement that function. And of course, we should know how to call that function. We will be doing this quite a bit going forward in the series, so get practice doing it. All right, I'll see you in the next section where we actually load this function into Python Tutor and step through to see how the function actually gets called. I'll see you then.